GPT Everywhere. Supercharge your workflow with our powerful GPT Everywhere desktop app. Drag and drop your project files from your desktop directly into the AI models. Say goodbye to the hassle of copy-pasting. Tailor GPT's skills to your needs. Create unique special skills for GPT and switch between them swiftly. No more wasting time explaining what you want from the AI model each time. A perfect time saver. Launch the GPT model anywhere. Use shortcut keys in any app with GPT Everywhere. Directly save responses to files, a massive time saver compared to the traditional method of copy-pasting. Whisper AI support. Control AI models using only your voice. Multilingual support. Multiple AI model support. Select with ease between GPT-3, GPT 3.5, GPT-4, Azure models, OpenAI models, or even local models. Choose the best AI model to suit your specific needs. Bring your own keys. Use your personal API keys, and app only requires a one-time payment. Quick coding or text editing. The integrated Monaco editor enables you to develop, edit, and manage your project files within the app swiftly and effectively. Chaining. With chains, you can create a sequence of tasks for the AI models to follow, streamlining your workflow by having the models carry out complex tasks in a specified order. Local Ubabooga support. Enjoy the freedom to experiment with local models beyond the constraints and rules of conventional paid models.